has a slot for the included USB-C phone adapter. So you simply slide the adapter into place, connect it to your phone or camera. Today with me, I have this DJI Mic 3 wireless microphone set, and one thing I immediately appreciated is that it comes with a storage pouch. So after opening the box and seeing all the accessories included, I was like, okay, where am I going to keep this? But then I saw that the pouch was included with this set, which is really nice because it's going to help me keep everything together with all the smaller items like the adapters, the windscreens, the cables. It's just nice knowing I can store everything in one place without worrying about losing anything. So first we have the storage pouch, which is a simple needed addition, really useful because it helps protect everything and keeps all of the accessories organized. Inside the kit, you get this charging case, you get microphones, the receiver, windscreens, a locking audio adapter cable, and a USB-C phone adapter. Now back to the charging case. To open it, you simply press the button on the front. Inside, everything has its own dedicated storage space, which I absolutely love. It looks clean, organized, and it makes it very easy to keep track of all the components. You receive 2 transmitters, which are the microphones themselves, and 1 receiver. So the receiver is what connects to your phone or camera, and it receives the audio signal from the microphones, which are also called the transmitters. So you also get a USB-C phone adapter. This is what allows you to connect the receiver directly to compatible smartphones for recording. The kit also includes 2 magnetic mounting pieces. These make attaching the microphones quick and easy. For example, if you're wearing a shirt, you can place the magnet behind the fabric and the microphone on the front. Or you could just use the clip that is attached to the back of the microphone. I really like that DJI included storage spaces for the magnets right inside the charging case because, they're really small and they could easily get misplaced. Now, taking a closer look at the transmitters, you get 2 of them, which means you can record 2 people at the same time. So you have your power button, you have your pairing controls and status lights right on the unit. Next is the receiver, which is really the central hub of the system. The receiver has a slot for the included USB-C phone adapter. So you simply slide the adapter into place, connect it to your phone, and you are ready to record. Many creators prefer connecting directly through the receiver rather than using Bluetooth because it can provide a more reliable audio connection. So when you're done, everything stores neatly back inside the charging case, including the adapter. The kit also includes a locking audio adapter cable, which can be useful depending on the device you're connecting to. You also get 4 windscreens, 2 black and 2 gray, and these attach directly to the microphones, and they're useful when you're filming outdoors. So if you're recording on a windy day, they'll definitely help with reducing the wind noise, and they'll improve, the overall audio quality. The charging case is also a great benefit. Not only does it keep everything protected, but it also helps keep the system charged and ready to go. So DJI states that you can get up to 28 hours of use with the charging case, which is great. For people that film throughout the day. So for me, as somebody who creates content from home with 4 kids, audio quality is something I pay a lot of attention to. Background noise can happen at any moment, so features like the noise reduction and adaptive gain control are especially appealing because they help maintain balanced audio levels, whether you're speaking softly or whether you're projecting your voice. I also appreciate how small and lightweight these microphones are. They're easy to wear, easy to conceal if needed, and they don't feel bulky or distracting. So setup was honestly much easier than I expected. Since I'm new to DJI microphones, I thought there might be a learning curve, but everything felt very intuitive right out of the box. So my first impression of the DJI Mic 3 set is very positive. I love the compact design, the included pouch, the organized charging case, the dual microphones, and the fact that everything has a dedicated place for storage. Now, I should mention that I am very new to the DJI brand and wireless microphone systems in general. So as many of you know, I create a lot of review videos. Having a microphone system like this can be incredibly helpful, especially when I'm filming in a noisy environment or when my kids are making their usual background appearances. So if you're considering to get this, if you're a content creator, reviewer, vlogger, podcaster, or simply someone looking to improve the audio quality of your videos, this is definitely a microphone system worth checking out.